Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify HubSpot API access tokens and scopes, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify HubSpot API access tokens and scopes, start by logging into your HubSpot developer account. Navigate to the Apps section in your dashboard. Select the app for which you want to verify the API token. Once inside the app settings, locate the API key or access tokens tab. Copy the access token provided in this section. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Use the token to make a test call to the HubSpot API. You can use the following endpoint to check token validity: https://api.hubapI.com/integrations/v1/me. Include your token in the request headers using the authorization key. Make sure your request method is set to GET. Send the request and check the response. A successful response indicates that the token is valid. If the token is invalid, you will receive an error message with a specific code. Next, check the scopes associated with the token. Refer to the documentation that corresponds to your app's permissions. Make sure the requested scopes are included in the application settings. If the required scopes are missing, update your app settings to request additional scopes. Regenerate the access token if necessary to include these new scopes. Repeat the verification process using the new token. Monitor the API response to ensure all scopes are functioning correctly. Keep your access tokens secure and regularly review their validity. This ensures a seamless interaction with HubSpot's API in your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.